Get excited because today is the day that we start the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. The FlyLady has helped me to get my home from chaos to clean, and you're absolutely going to love it. Be sure to participate in every single one of the days so that you will be entered for a chance to win at the end. Just be sure to comment done in the comments whenever you have done so, and your name will be entered for a chance to win. Not to mention, there will be a ton of freebies throughout the challenge, and your home will be sparkling clean by the end of it all with a set routine to keep it this way forever. Some things to note during this challenge: I'm all about making things fun. Even though the FlyLady's 31 challenge is traditionally done every single day for 31 days, we're gonna put a little twist in it. Our own version is going to be from Monday through Friday, and every time we do our thing, we're going to add some fun music to help and make it fun. And for today's challenge, we are going to be shining our sinks. Be sure to gather whatever supplies you do to normally clean your sink, because today is the first day, so it might be a little bit more challenging. After today, it will be super duper easy. So go ahead and get whatever you get to clean your sinks, put on the upbeat music, and let's go to the kitchen and get started. to continue to keep it shiny by doing this every single night. Be sure to write it down somewhere you can see it and check it off. And stay tuned to the end of the week where I have a super cool freebie printable for you to keep track of these routines. If you haven't done so already, be sure to turn on those notification bells so you don't miss a single day of this challenge. And I'll see you again tomorrow for the next day of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.